fellas, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you are going to see how to comment GIF on TikTok. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any video. So as you can see, this is a TikTok video that is currently showing. Now head over to the comment section. Now just head over to this add comment. Now just tap on this picture option. So as you can see, there is a gift option in here, mentioning option, but there is no option to just add any GIF. So how can we do that? Let's see if we can try with our phone's GIF option. So it's currently not working. So as you can see, TikTok doesn't avail sending GIFs on comment section. So we can't do that. Um, in my region, it's not available yet, but if it's available in your region, you can do it. So yeah, this is how you can just follow. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.